Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Slick, back at it with another video, and it's my first official mod for the 4runner. What I did is I found a website. Since I got this, I've been researching a lot of new things to do to it. It's my new project, and I found some LED light bulbs because I don't like the stock yellow lights, as you can tell. I'm about to show you guys like what those look like. So I'm gonna get some LED bulbs and we'll see if they really are bright. They said they're gonna be a 600 or 600, a 6000K. So it's like that bright white with a little bit of blue tint from Toyotech. So yeah, so let's swap these on and see if they're really as bright as they say they are. I don't know anyone that is running these, so I don't know if I'm the first, because I did do my research and try to find other YouTube videos and whatnot, and I couldn't find no one that had these. But I really couldn't find LED bulbs besides like Amazon stuff, and I've been down that route before and they lasted a month or two and then boom, out. I had to buy some new ones again, and I want to keep on doing all this. So let's open up this package and check them out. All right, so this is them. Anyways, let's see. Open this thing up. So everything it says. All right. Let's see. Looks like on the inside. Put you guys down. Damn. These look like Terminator or something. But it literally said just swap out the old, well, pull off the old bulbs and swap in these ones. It said a simple, so let's see if it really is that simple like they say. All right, so that was a quick 2-minute job. You won't be able to really tell, but you just gotta pop off the rubber piece that goes in the back of the headlight, twist, and it's kind of hard. The battery is here, so my hand was having difficulties. But honestly, that or that, I'd rather have the LEDs. That's the stock halogens. LEDs, way brighter. Holy crap, guys, this is crazy. I mean, not crazy, but it's just, damn, makes a difference for sure. Wow. Just look at that. You can just tell the difference already. That's wild. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys where you gotta go. So right here, you literally just unplug this, pop this off the back, okay? And there's this kind of weird looking like safety pin or clothespin, whatever it is, and you just pull back on it. Trying to get this shit on. That's what keeps the light intact. This copper pin. Make sure I don't break it. Oh, push down. Okay. Sorry, guys. Get a little nervous because I don't want to break it. Come on. I see you. Come on. Alright, I had to turn off the camera for a little while. I'm using my phone and couldn't get it off, but this is the part that you need to get from that holds in your headlight. It's that clip right there. And that shit was stuck in there. But anyways, as soon as you do that, light bulb just comes right out. And they're going to be facing up like that too. Exact same way that it's going to be literally, you're putting the new one in exactly like that. So, I'll grab the other new one. So, now you just got to put it back in there. Okay, it's back in. Close that. Let's see if we can get that back on now. Alright, got it back in. So what I was doing is, see the little hook right there? I was going from the bottom. You're supposed to go from the top and then push down. I was going from the bottom trying to push up. But yeah, so now just put the cap back on. I already forgot. Okay, cap back on. Headlight back on. And now let's turn them on, make sure they both work. My 32s are just sitting here waiting for the lift. Holy shit. Jeez. Things are brighter than hell, guys. Yeah. Things are amazing. I know she's ugly, but it's because I'm working on it. But yeah, way better than... These are the stock ones. Literally plug and play. Simple. Joe Tick. You guys did a good damn job. So, like I said, I'm gonna keep these just to be on the safe side. But, Trail Tick, what I did is I went to lighting, put in the year and the model of my Toyota, and it popped it up, and then when you scroll down, it actually shows what these fit. Honestly, I'm happy I did this. This is a 9-day difference. Like, my neighbor across the street probably hates me right now. I'm gonna turn these off. Boom. I need seat covers. Those ones are all trashed right now already. I did put 2018, 19 Tacoma wheels on it. Those are the 32s back there. But yeah, it's my new little project, but the blacked out housings, there's a lot more to come, trust me. But let's go take a drive and see the difference between the halogen versus the LEDs on the road. So this is with the stock halogen headlights. Not bad, not horrible. They're decently bright, surprisingly, but I'm guessing it's because they're brand new headlights compared to the nasty ones that have been on this car for many years. Couldn't see out of those at all. Since these are the new ones, I'm sure that's why they're bright. But I just want to give you guys a little show. Not show. What am I talking about? Of what it just looks like, you know, being on the road. So let's go swap in those LEDs and check that out. See the difference. Sorry guys, I went down. I was looking at the road. See, but lights off, and then the lights on. So let's go get those LEDs put on and see the big difference. All right, guys. So this is with the LEDs in now. You could tell, look how bright they are. Just going into this parking lot. try to find a really dark parking lot to do this in, so you guys could see the LEDs. But it's crazy how bright these really are. I'm actually really happy with them. Today's my first day driving with them fully on, and see, watch, if I turn them off, look how dark it is. Can't see nothing around here, literally. Then put them on, boom. I'll show you guys in a second. I was blinding a lot of people, as in I was looking at, I could literally see straight into other people's cars, and they were literally like trying to cover up their eyes facing towards me because of how bright these lights are. So let me get out and show you guys how bright they are. They have a little bit of a blue tint, but they're just really bright white, which I like because I didn't really want no crazy blue lights. So that was blinding the fuck out of me. That's them. Super bright. But yeah, I mean, gets a pretty good distance. But this is them. See how they're not in person they look like a really bright white with a little bit blue tint, but on camera it kind of looks like it's just white. But honestly I'm pretty happy with these, so I do recommend them. So go to Toyotech and go to lighting, put in the year and make and model, and then go to lighting and see if they make these for you guys' car. But I do recommend them. Even look at those apartment complexes showing on the top of the building. And I don't even have a lift on this yet, so imagine when it does get brighter, or when I get higher up. Jeez. But thanks for watching, guys. More to come. Stay tuned. Peace.